In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a forest terrain using the new Diorama FX products. I glued this tree from Vallejo's scenography range to the wooden plinth. For the base soil, I'll use European mood. To apply the texture effect, I do use a synthetic plane brush. I stir the product and spread it over the entire base. The texture is applied, an irregular result is key now. Now I'll add some rocks, starting with the bigger ones. Now it's time to put the intermediate size ones. And next the small ones. To glue them to the base, I'm using the terrain fixer, which I apply by a dropper to get a better accuracy. Once the terrain dries, it's time to paint it. I put on the palette some brown and green colors. I start painting it. Inside of the trunk, I do use a cream brown color. The outside is painted with a dark brown one. And finally, I paint the base with many green colors. To paint the rocks, I choose a light color to distinguish them from the base. I apply a dry brush to outline the terrain's natural texture. To add more definition to the terrain, I apply some washes with dark green colors. The forest terrain is almost finished. Next, I'll add some tufts to add more details and make it look more real. Finally, I'll apply pigments, but slightly diluted with water. This way, I'll create a glaze on the terrain, getting different tones. I add some river water effect on the corner of the plinth. Here you have the finished forest terrain. If in doubt, please don't hesitate to leave a comment.